Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change formal or informal tone in DeepL. So actually guys, first we'll need just to go ahead and enter your text right here, okay? So for example we'll go with a random one like it's good to see you, okay? And just then choose your target language, so let's keep it as French, okay? And after translation appears, look for the tone switch, of course if supported, okay? And then choose whether you want it as formal or informal, okay? So to use this tool you will need to have the pro plan, okay? It's available only if you have the pro subscription, okay? And this is the formality. So let's talk about the formal and informal, okay? So if you want to select formal, that means polite and professional. If you want it as informal, that's like casual and friendly. So the translation updates instantly after picking one, okay? And the supported languages, like if you want to use the tone switching, and it's available only for some languages such as German, French, Spanish, Italian, Dutch, Polish, okay? And it may not appear if the language you selected doesn't support tone control. So if you don't see the option, try changing the target language, okay, and update the browser, or go and reload the page, and also use the alternative translations manually. So just click on the word to adjust one. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.